Help families in Jamaica rebuild after Hurricane Melissa. Hurricane Melissa shattered lives, leaving my people in despair. Your donation can restore hope and rebuild lives in Jamaica. Help us bring hope to Jamaica.
One start over.
What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How you do? Alright, I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, guys, I hope you in good health and not feel no pain. You not feel any pain? If you not feel any pain, remember to check the doctor. Go to the doctor. Or make somebody bring you to the doctor. As always, guys, remember to check on your family, check on your friends, do some wellness check on them, because remember, mental health crisis is no joke. And guys, sad news we get out of Hurricane Melissa. It has confirmed that we have lost 19 Jamaicans so far in the hurricane. You know? So what we want to do right now, we want to just take a moment of silence for right at this moment, guys, for the 19 people where we lost, 19 Jamaicans where we lost. I want to take a moment of silence. Yeah, man, a moment of silence for all of the people we lost, you know. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I have to talk about this. Right now, we have a GoFundMe on my page where you can go and donate. Also, at my PayPal, you can go and donate. And over by the Instagram page and on social media, on Facebook, on my Facebook, you can donate over there. Guys, we need help. They need help. Jamaicans need help. So may I ask you, please, if you can donate something, it doesn't matter how much money it is. It could be $1, it could be 50 cents. Donate. Donate, so that means we can make people get some help, because this now go just finish today, tomorrow, last week, next week. This gonna be a long time for these people. So make we see what we can do to help these people. And by we go on, we will put up more ways and means for able to have money to help them, and also clothes and all those kind of things. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, what a something. What a sin thing. Wow. My viewers and subscribers, what a sitting. So Alicia Kim come out. Yes, Alicia Kim come out, my people. And Alicia Kim come out and clap, lick, beat, thump, chop everybody up with one video. One video, Alicia Kim come out and chop up, thump up, beat up, kick up everybody. My viewers and subscriber who no here, you remember when me tell you no, say a certain broke back, chuck back boy used to send DM. Yes, Rumram, aka Brokeback Mr. Chuckback, he used to send DM to Alicia Kim, and once Alicia Kim never used to give him no feel. And as soon as he see Alicia Kim pregnant, he start to beat her because him did a try to eat. Well on. Yeah man, he start to beat her because he made a try to eat. 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 Me want to say eat. My viewers and subscribers, the boy I carry crutches feelings. Rumram, the chucker, where I broke pay back just like when I broke bread. I carry crutches feeling for Alicia Kim. Yeah man, you know see it? Hold on. Uno no hear she say it. Uno no hear she say it just like how me say it. Him used to fly in the woman DM. Alicia Kim no call nobody name. But remember, me bring it first and make you know say Rumram used to fly up in a Alicia Kim DM. Me not even know. Saying used to go over our Instagram, go and like show up him like a broke back self. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I see him make a video. And that's the boy Rumram, you know. Me see him make a video. And when he make the video, all him all talk about silver fox, a silver fox in call me, you know. Him all talk about silver fox in there. This brother here just can't get over my name and my belly. Cause in love, all kind of things, you know, we look round. Yeah, in love, all kind of things we look round. But the title said that the big up crew make Alicia Kim come out, come attack Boo. Now let me ask you this. And Chucker, let me talk to you. You say Alicia Kim attack Boo. I know something go wrong and Alicia Kim come out. But what you are said over there is one of the stupidest things ever hear a person really talk. Because all along, you know, I beat Alicia Kim and Alicia Kim not say nothing. Because guess what happened? The same thing where Alicia Kim said in our video lead up to the divorce. And the same thing Boo come out and say, Boo come and tell you, yes, in take the bed and in take the larger detergent. Yeah, Boo say it. Alicia Kim come and say it. So now, Boo, I disrespect the lady mother. And the lady come and make you know how everything go. And Mark, she say she a hold back certain thing. So just think if she should have come out and just wipe the slate clean. But hear what she say? She says certain things she cannot talk because them a deal with the case. What am I gonna do now? And them need a meta prayer now. Whoa, trouble again. Ram, you got nervous. Whoa. Ram, you look nervous. Yeah, man, you look nervous. Me, I wonder why you look nervous. And because the season this is letter. And that make you get nervous. Me not too in and no talking with you, cause you know, have no. Me don't know what you say, you know have. But me will leave you alone. But do not send no more DM to nobody. Me they tell you, me warn you. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers. So Mr. Papi Show, Mr. AKA Papi Show, Mr. Mac, AKA Boo. So the plan what you have all this time was recruit Alicia Kim figure use her good credit figure mortgage. You want more house figure sell and get money. My viewers and subscribers hear ya. Let me say this to you. One of the worst thing I ever heard in my whole entirely life as a man, 53 years me upon this earth, is I have never heard a woman say that her husband asks her, tell her, suggest. I have never heard or hear a woman say that her husband suggested, proposed, proposal, talk to her, say to her about having his son sperm to get him wife pregnant. I have never heard that in my whole entirely life. And you're telling me that you, boo, look at Alicia Kim, your wife, and said to her, I can ask my son for some of his sperm. So boo, if Alicia Kim say, okay, we can do that, and you ask the son and the son get the sperm. So how you don't get the sperm? So you that go sit down and think about your son and make your son go wank off, give your sperm in a cup, and you carry go a place, and your wife put you up in a... So when the baby come out, when the baby that go call the son, because the baby go call the son father because of the son sperm, so that means son father. So when baby go call you? Uncle? Grandfather? What kind of dirty mix up that? What kind of style that you want to live? You imagine you look on your wife and it's going to suggest to your wife that you can use the sperm of your son to make you have baby. And you tell her that just to make she feel what? Feel comfortable? How the hell you think she go feel comfortable knowing that the husband tell her that, oh, we can get some sperm from his son? We all know say you hide things, you know. And we all know say Alicia Kim no want to come out here and degrade herself, downgrade herself. We all know. Also, boo, your fella co-worker, aka room ram the chucker where I broke bread, where maybe used to be a male stripper too. Apparently, you come from the same community where Alicia Kim come from. You say you have run-ins with Alicia Kim's mother before. I mean, I ask myself the question, how and why? But now that we know that your family house in a Kingston 7 is just a walk away from where Alicia Kim is. So, boo, this whole thing where you are doing, you approve from people down at Kingston 7. Yeah. Are you try to use Alicia Kim? You, not she. It's the other way around. You try to use and abuse her. And it fly up in your face. It fly up in your dirty face. Because you know the family. You know the family. You know who they is. You know how they are. You know the people them. But yet still you come and try to disrespect them and try to use them. Because you realize I know say Alicia Kim is a very smart girl for a long time. And that's why I've been telling people how lie you is, how wicked you is. Because he's a liar and a wicked. My viewers and subscribers who don't listen what Alicia Kim say, the two of you come from Kingston 7. The two of you are Kingstonian. Live close by. And that you want to do to her. He is one where you call him low down a hyena. He is one vicious guy. Now, I want to talk about another thing I want to talk about. You're married to a woman. You're married to her. You go to her house. When you go to Jamaica and you go to her house, she said you spend 2 nights in the Airbnb and the rest of the time was in her house. 3 bedroom, 3 apartment. She have you in there. You could have walked naked as the day you're born with your blank. Walking around the house like you are done. Naked as the day you're born. She never knows say blank you are fire. Blank you are fire. Only to know that you was all recording everything in your brain. The simple house tap a leak and you can jump and get it fixed without having to talk about it. You fix it, but you never tell nobody say she have a nice place where you used to live. Not live, you used to stay when you go to Jamaica. You never tell nobody that. You come and try to beat on the girl. You meet the girl with her stuff. You meet her with her things. You see her with her things. When you start to talk to her, she have something. She have a government job. She have something. And to be honest with you, when you take her up, you have nothing. When you take her up, you have nothing more than that money where you can the people them out of them house money. That's all you got. And where you use it though? Instead of you get a place, if you rent a place, you use it and act like you're rich. Because guess what happened? The money where you get wasn't even a lot of money. Because remember, the house sell for $300 and something $1,000. $345,000. Hold on, man. You know me never done with you, but me that go and take slow because I want to know where you come with. The house sell for $345,000. A 3 a uno in the house. 3 a uno in the house. The money where you invest in the house. How much money you invest in the house? How much money you invest in the house? Wasn't not even money. What you invest in the house wasn't money. It wasn't money. It was just that your name have to be on the deed. Because if not, they will take away the house from Betty. You think me would know that? You think me would know that? If Betty never have a next somebody on the deed, they will take away the house from Betty. And that's why your name end up on the deed. So the money where you get out of it wasn't too much. But you, instead of save it, you're going like you are done. Because you say, hot chick. So the woman have her house, nice apartment, on top of her mother house. So you of all persons should never try to disrespect her by carry her come a foreign, big foreign, and have her in a one room where she cannot explore. You carry her come a foreign and she can't explore. As your friend Ram said, she can't even scream. She have to go and can't say nothing. Imagine she in a room and hear people a chatter. That's how the place is. But she left her big nice place, her big government job at Jamaica, just to come a foreign to come spend time with you because you lie to her. You tell her, say you not come back to Jamaica. So a foreigner it. Because you have your plan. You have your plan because you know say if she come, her credit is going to fresh and new. That's the reason why she said how much mortgage, 2 mortgage you try to take out. Because you are trying to use fear name, fear credit to get mortgage. And because you are husband, you're going to be on it. But guess what happened? in a workout because God see and know say it wasn't going to be good for her if it did work. That's how bitter and wicked. Me tell you say a scammer. Remember say me tell you say a scammer. I try if scam Alicia Kim, to get her, to get money, and then all of a sudden she can't left. You is a wicked old man. You is a wicked elder. You is a wicked man. You try to bring down this young girl and see it. This young girl come out, come talk the things them. And remember me tell you, if you realize everything we hear she say is the things we hear me talk because me know say them are true. Hold on a little bit. Let me explain something to you about the house where him say him sister a for him. Alicia Kim never want to go in it. But listen to what Alicia Kim say. Alicia Kim say, how them don't call police to take the key, to get back in key. Them change lock and all those things. How you go change lock? How you go call police to get back key when a few house, but your sister name you put it in a lie tell Anna in your house because the sister. Hold on a little bit. I do not want to say nothing about the sister. I go leave it right there. I go left it right there, and now I go say nothing about that. Go leave that right there. She not involved in this, so me go stay right above. So boo, if you stop tell lie, I hope this video where Alicia came do will teach you a lesson. I hope it teach you a lesson because guess what? There's a lot more that Alicia Kim could have talked and she said no, she not do it. She left it right there so. She want you to stop talking about her mother because you are talking about the lady and the lady don't do you nothing and appear like you are telling the lady. As a matter of fact, hold on a little bit. So hold on a little bit. So you never ask the lady if he married to you. Hold on. You never ask her if he married to you. You surprise her. She tell you say she never asked you if you propose to her. Are you go down to Jamaica with a little bit of money where you have and surprise her with engagement at a favorite restaurant where you like? So how you so lie that you don't get food and it's a restaurant where you like? So that means you go to the restaurant and then set up everything nice, fix up and dandy because it's a surprise. And you say that nobody no give no food and it's at a restaurant. So hold on a little bit. Let me fix my glasses. So boo, it was a restaurant who have the surprise engagement party. Yeah? So that means the restaurant have waiters and all those kind of things like buffet because Alicia Kim said it's a buffet. So how you say you not get no food? So me I talk about people. When if you stop listen to Bo, my viewers and subscribers, listen to me. A lot of you look at Alicia Kim and have a lot to say about her. You have a lot to say about her. But I hope you listen to what she said today. From 15 years old, age old, I go to school. She a sell panties. From 15 she start to hustle. Kingston, original town girl that. What me say? Hold on. Hold on. Where the Kingstonian in there? You know there, sir? Where the Kingstonian and Spanish town in there? Original hustler. Original hustler come from Kingston and Spanish Town, Old Harbour, St. Catherine. A big hustler come from them the place. All young girls hustle because that's how them grew up. That's how them grew up. Hustling, then grew up, see them mother hustle, and then take it up and start hustle too. Because you Alicia Kim said, her mother, she see her mother a hustle, I put everything together, and she grew up with that mentality. And that's why you say, that's why you know, and that's why your friend and your cousin and people tell you about Alicia Kim. You know exactly what you do. You know what you do. Long time you know what you do. You know what you do before Alicia Kim even come in your brain. That's why you spend out all of your money. I try to, just as Alicia Kim said, when you are looker, all kind of sitting here send come. She never asks if it. You are send come. Cause remember, you know, we are man, you know. When we are looking man, that's how we go on. We want to push out. Push out. First impression last. The only problem is never you push out money in front you, because sometimes you push out money in front of you and then you have none after, like you. Boo. As a matter of fact, hold on a little bit. I'm going to talk about this police thing. When me hear Chucker, Lady Keish, Vibes with Rosa, all I know, I talk about policing. None of you know say Vibes through the call me. And when Vibes through the call me and I talk to me about Alicia Kim, never did have to do that. She never did have to call police for the man. Never did have to. And I said to him, say, Vibes, let me tell you something. Alicia Kim no call no police from Boo for no $400. Vibes said to me, say, no, Rodney, you don't know what you're talking. You don't know what you're talking. I said to him, say, Vibes, settle down. I said to him, say, Boo do something wrong to Alicia Kim. That's why Alicia Kim call the police. Vibes tell me, say, no, a $400. Me said to Vibes, and if Vibes is willing to tell the truth, say me said to him, say, not even Chris never did come out with that yet. Me said to him, say, the reason why Alicia Kim call the police is because Boo threaten her and tell her, say, no wonder why people find them at Jamaica unalive. Vibe said to me, say, no, lie you are telling, now do that. And I said to him, say, at that me I tell you, say, him said to me, say, how me know that? And I turned to him and I said to him, say, you know, if you tell the truth, me no know. But at that, him tell him, and guess what happened? Nobody never tell me that, you know? As a father, nobody never tell me that. Nobody never say to me, because me not have connection with Kim. Me not have connection with Kim at all. So me no know that from her. Me just it come like me feel it. Because there's no way she go call police for him for $400 when him already take out 14,500 out of the bank. So if him take out 14,500 out of the bank, and Alicia Kim no call police or say nothing, how you think Alicia Kim go call police for $400? Just think about that. That uno not do. Let me tell you something. The problem with uno not think. All uno do is just make video, cause uno run down the money. But uno not think, uno not use no brain. And that's why it cause so much problem. We don't know. There's no way Alicia Kim go call police from Boo for $400 when Boo thief 14,500 out our account. There's no way it go happen. So there it is. There it is. Understand that. Now, my viewers and subscribers, one more thing I want to really talk about, and is the cruises, the trips. So, Boo, oh boy. So, Boo, all them trip where you go on, and I take some hot pose and some hot pose, and never you pay for them. Hold on. So, Boo, you're one of them man who love to live off a woman. Me the think that you pay for them trip. Me never know say Alicia Kim pay for all of them trip. So, my question to you, Boo, is, what you did that do in the relationship again? But I sound like it more sound to me like you did I use Alicia Kim when people are talking about how she a gold digger. Let me say this. You see how the man them dig gold in Africa? If he dig down the whole forest. And we know talk about Alicia Kim, a gold digger. It more sound to me like Boo is and was the gold digger, and he didn't have to dig nothing. Because Alicia Kim can't go at Disney World. Alicia Kim can't go Wessel. And I spend all $3,000 upon him. I buy him all expensive hat and all them things. But you see you, Boo? Remember me tell you, say, them have a saying if you say God a plan. No, not God a plan. Man a plan and God a wipe out. And that's exactly what happened to you. You was planning for Alicia Kim to get house money, to get money. So that means there's a house and then you get in a problem and then the house have to sell and then you have to get some of the money. That was the plan, but it never worked out. It backfired upon you. It backfired upon you because that's so you want to live. You don't want to live like a decent citizen. You want to walk right across the street, right across the place and can the woman them and them money. But Duppy know if you frightened. Yeah man, Duppy know if you frightened. And this time you can't frighten nobody because Alicia Kim stand up. Alicia Kim stand up to you and show you say you're not smart. Another thing I'm going to tell you how me know say you're a liar too. Remember you say when you go at the bank and how your phone go ping and all kind of something. You see, a pure lie you tell you. It's pure lie you tell. Because remember Alicia Kim said she go down to the bank and there's nothing they can do because it's a, as them say, it's a joint account. So all you tell is lie, 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 lie. That's all you do. Tell pure lie. For what? What's the purpose? What the purpose of telling pure lies? What it all do for you? You just want to bring her down. You want she to look bad. You want things for, you want people. What you want? The YouTube channel where you was saying wasn't a good thing. Now all of a sudden, you are running down the YouTube because you know that the YouTube is where the money is. And I go tell you something, you see, bro. You is one of the dumbest, dumber, dumb under. You are the dumbest man on earth. You have your YouTube channel and you could have come back out here. Jump on your YouTube channel. Build your YouTube channel to a certain place where you can afford to be making those money. Even Kiprich come and say to you, say, you must go in at the health thing, you must go in at the body thing, make people see you. Make your salt, make your juice and sell them so that means you can be your and entrepreneur and do your thing. But no, you don't want that. All you want is to carry down. Is to carry down Alicia Kim. And guess what? Alicia Kim family lives just a walk away from your family. From Kingston 7. Who could have been a power couple living in the same place. Come from the same place. But no, you don't want that. Because hold on. So boo. So you can woman and come a foreign in the 80s. You see me I talk about people? You remember when you hear me I talk about? The wife the wife where divorced him. 1992 or 96, some one of them. Remember me that telling about that lady there? You remember, say me that telling about that lady there. So you've been conning people, you've been scamming people from you come in at the United States of America because I can your way if you come in at the United States of America. Till you almost get deported. You could have get deported out of the United States, but God help you. Then again, domestic violence, firing a pistol. You not talk about them something, eh? Me the one ram over there. Like him a beg for you. Like him a talk about how Alicia Kim come out and Alicia Kim this and Alicia Kim that. But let me tell you something. Alicia Kim have all right to come out and say something because you have beat our mother too much. You have beat our mother too much. You have too much to say about the lady mother when the lady mother not trouble you. She not trouble you. She not trouble you. She not trouble you. Alicia Kim brother have all right to come out and beat her because of your sister, our sister that she have all right to protect our sister. Have me excuse him have all right to protect his sister. And she have all right to protect our mother. And all you do, you come out, you beat them down, you beat them, you beat them, you beat them because of. All because of the YouTube money. The same YouTube money where you used to tell her, say, it not good. But now you see she make 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10,000. When you not make none. You not make no money. Your YouTube channel not give you no money either. Yeah, the boo is back. Boo is back not give you nothing. Boo is back not even paying you anything good. You need to sit down and work on that and get it together. And leave the young lady alone. Yeah, man, you need to leave the young lady alone because what you do to her is not necessary. Yeah, man, what you do to her is not necessary. Just look at this boo. Alicia Kim say she borrow $1,000 from you. $1,000. You and her, Dana, married and waist training with the battles them, and she borrow $1,000 from you because you never in it. You never in it, and she push, and she borrow $1,000 from you, and she pay you back your $1,000, and then the business start to make its own money, own profit. Yeah, it start to make its own profit. So that means you get your money, she start make money, who no start make money. What wrong with that? Eh? If me, let me say this to you. If me in your shoes at your age and me find a woman where just want to sell even a rock stone, that woman want to sell to make money. Remember me tell her, me go ask her, honey, how much rock stone you want? Me go and find rock stone. Eh? You imagine, you find a woman where we sell even a rock stone, and you are trying to con that woman, you are trying to use that woman. That will show you how stupid, how brainless, how senseless you is. Because if me find a woman like that, remember me tell you, any which part the stone in there, me I go for it, carry come gear, and make she do her thing. Me, I go for the stone and carry it come gear. She have to tell me, say, no, honey, me no want no more stone. But you never have no time to do that. All you want is to take where all she got. And that will show you how wicked it is. Oh, the school money, where you say you pay off. How comes you never tell me, say, she pay you back? You see what me I talk about? Yes, she admit. And that's the thing about. Hold on. My viewers and subscribers. Let me say this to all of you. You see where Alicia Kim a go through, and where you see Alicia Kim a say, out time out. Why you think me believe in a Alicia Kim? Eh? Why you think me believe in a Alicia Kim? Me a Capricorn too. Me a Capricorn too. And no fight we get. No fight we get because that's how we are. Just like how you say Alicia Kim is a go-getter. I saw me stay. Me want to do this a business, me want to do that a business, me want to do every kind of business to make money. I saw me stay. Just like how Alicia Kim stay. So that's why me can make videos. That's why me can talk about Alicia Kim and how she stay and who she is. That's why me now go start protect her. Big up, Crow. No stop do the do. Big up on yourself. Enough respect. Alicia Kim, let me say something to you, lady. I'm proud of you. You come from Jamaica. You come from Kingston 7. Me don't know which part Kingston 7 there. Me don't know if Kingston 7 are Garrison or way there. But you come from Kingston 7, down at Kingston, and you come out of Kingston to better yourself. You get some help through Boo if you come to the United States of America. And when you come to the United States of America, you never come here, come sit down. You come here and you get a job with American Express. Not many people can get that kind of job. Not many people can get those kind of job because those kind of job are money you are deal with. And you know about money. And you get that kind of job. So I know like you come in America and sit down. You come in America immediately. You start to grind. You start to work. You start to do this. You start to get the things up and running. And people don't realize that. People don't understand that. Because people don't like you for that. All of them when you see a talk. Them try all kind of something. With man and in a work. And because in a work, them sit down and start work for people. Because of this of them life stop. All of them. Remember this. Lady Keish, Ambitious Jackie, Vibes with Rosa, all have man problems. Not man problem, you know. Man problems. All of them have it. And to be honest with you, the one Alicia, not Alicia, the one Vibes with Rosa, and listen me good enough. The one Vibes with Rosa tell Vibes through they say, me no have nothing pan her. Vibes with Rosa, you know how me know that? You know how me know that? Because Vibes mouth no hold nothing in it. Everything in it come out. So all of you people where talk with Vibes, be careful. I want to say to him, be careful. Me so glad me never said nothing to him out of here. Me so glad because from him, from where him do to OMG, me should have take debt, mark the X. Yeah, me should have mark it and say, no, say that brother, me not talk with him. However, it's a lucky thing, me never said nothing to him out of the way or nothing to him personal. Yeah? So, guys, let me just say this to you. Alicia Kim is a strong lady. She's a very proud lady. She respect herself. She know which path she a go and she nah stop try. Why people not like her? I don't know. Why people not like her? Why people hate her? I don't know. Because she nah do nobody nothing. I believe a lot of you out there should not take a book out of Alicia Kim page. Fight, fight, fight to reach somewhere in her life. Fight to go somewhere in her life. Fight to get something out of something. She say, YouTube, all you have to do. She give all of uno a medicine today. Now. She say, what you have to do is reach out to brands. Alicia Kim, me never did want to say nothing. But to tell you the truth, brands start to reach out to me. Yeah. And now that's you say me go start reach out to some more. See if me can keep getting some of them. Because at the end of the day, YouTube money is one, but if you can get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 money, that's where it is. But all these people I do is just want to tear you down for nothing at all. Lies and all those kind of things. Because even though you come out and you say what you have to say, Rumor no do nothing more than say, oh, at the big up crew push you to do it, and you never did that for this and you never did that for that. But at the end of the day, him love when Boo come out and talk. And it's just because you say something, then Boo talk, now you come back. Sometimes, Rumram, let me say something to you. Today, I come up on your thing. I mean, I listen to your video. And pack it up. Pack it up on the dumper truck. Pack it up. Because you not make no sense. You not make no sense. My viewers and subscribers, with that said, you don't know how it go. Stay good. Walk good. And remember guys, support, support, support. We need the support for all of the people in Jamaica. So remember, don't stop. Support. Even if you're not sending money, come give me. Send it, go give somebody. You have Color Smith down there, do something. You have when name Cameron family. You have all of the YouTubers them. I do something. I try to help some of the people. And remember, a lot of the YouTubers them lose for them house. A lot of the guys them down at St. Elizabeth, them lose everything. So do what you can do. Help who you can help. And remember, enough respect, manners, and to each and every Jamaicans where in the issue, in the problem, comment down below. Let me know what I go on. We'll see what we can do. See how we can help people. So, with that said, peace and love, manners and respect. Stay blessed. Until the next video, I'm out.